John Deere 9R FT4 Series. This is a rear scraper axle. We can also make it work on the ag tractor by including the dual hubs and the cast wheels. We don't charge you for those, we just swap them out. The scraper's got the flat section on the axle, and the ag's is just round. So this was an exchange unit. It's been completely disassembled, flushed out, cleaned out. It's got all new bearings and seals in it. Ready to bolt on. It's even got the, can't exactly remember what that is, but it's got that valve on it. Yokes on it.